And we are live. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Hope everyone's having a great Tuesday. Once again, back into Foundry. Tag is not joining us today. Maybe he will later if he can get his OBS to work, but he could not get it to work for some reason. Don't know what happened. Hopefully he gets it sorted for Thursday stream, which we be planning to play a new game, so check us out then if you want to see a new game on this channel that we can all play. So, after last stream, we were working on the Science Hub. There's a little bit of issues with the freight elevator. One is this belt needs to be fixed. I've noticed I did a little bit of off-world testing and trying to figure out what limitations of freight elevators are. But I think I got a little bit of understanding of it. Lower tier does not help for sure to balancing this, but hopefully this time around we can get this going and get a huge science lab going, and hopefully we can buzz through all the science and then work into some robotics and get us some more money than us being only at $5,000. It's tough out there, but let's get in because I think he's ready. Hello.
Hello.
So.
Oh wait, that's not gonna work. Where is it?
You're gonna be working on your concrete once again?
Yep. I'm gonna be working on concrete, and then we were discussing glass last time, so I think I'm good on the concrete. How much did we need per hour? Or not per hour, but per minute.
I think it was 18 per minute per machine, and I was going to do 5 machines, so technically 6 machines
Okay,
you
so
would need.
there is, so it's producing 16 concrete per minute per machine, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 machines. You think that'll be enough?
That should be enough.
Okay.
There we go.
Then I'm going to... That's not what I wanted. Alright.
Yeah, dang it. Didn't mean to put that there.
So what are you working on over there?
I am working on get us big smarts.
Okay.
Trying to get research going through so we can get into the bigger machineries.
Okay.
Our grid is actually stressed now that I look at it.
I need another storage.
I might have to go top up the steam turbines actually. How did you get up there?
Huh?
Beep is up in the air.
Uh-oh.
I honestly don't know how we got up there, but he is up there, and he's having fun.
See this.
He's just right over there, by the science lab.
He's up on one of the conveyor belts.
Yeah, I don't know how he got up there, because there's not really a path up there besides walking all the way over to the staircase.
Alright.
Maybe take a second take, and being like, what? Well then.
Out of curiosity.
Yes.
Is it just gravel that's for glass?
Yes, gravel smelted, I believe. Oh, you were on the wrong way.
I need... That's not what I need. I need to make another... Alright, I need electronic components.
We definitely have a lot of those.
Yep. I'm just gonna come over here and steal them off the belt.
Wow, what a lazy way to do it.
Yep.
I can't believe you.
That should be enough. No, I want 8.
Do I have pumps on me? I do not believe so.
I need xenoferrite. All right. How many of the smelters for the glass should I make?
Probably like... I honestly believe you should go for like 20 or so, because glass is going to be highly used. There's...
I need more xenoferrite. Apparently I did not grab enough.
We are now making... I don't know how much. All I know is we got enough on the grid.
We got enough on the grid? What do you mean?
I made more steam turbines. We were
Okay.
just maxing out.
Well, I mean, with everything I built and everything you guys have built, and I'm
Yeah.
not surprised.
I'm surprised it was, taking this long.
Alright.
I will have to see about...
Oh, I should probably make...
I haven't decided if I'm going to redo this. Kind of want to. Because that's obviously not working. Wanted that to be my back end.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do.
I'll give it just enough space.
What did I just make?
Mm.
Um, I did that wrong. All right.
Set. Nope. Still a lot more to do.
Oh, it would be just so much faster just to go take the plates from the storage. The xenoferrite plates will be upstairs, right?
Yes, it is on the second storage going to your right. Maybe for future packs.
That should be enough. All right.
Okay. I don't need that one. Okay. Let's give it about a wide berth. Maybe 2 here. I bring in 2 products there, 2 products there. And I get export 2.
I need to test something. And that's not what I wanted. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, that's it. All right. Now that I know what I'm doing, I was trying to put the rocks the mineral rocks right into the smelter instead of crushing them first.
Oh, yep, that would probably do it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to bring a few of those.
more of the loaders.
Oh my god, how the hell did I manage to do that?
Not back down the stairs. I need this.
There it is. That's what I want to get rid of. There we go. It looks ugly, but it works. And that's what counts.
Alright. Got crushers going.
And that should be able to reach right into there.
Now I need smelters.
Oh my god. This way. Thank you.
Nope. I need to space those out a little bit more.
There we go. It needs rods and machine parts. Which I will need to split. Yeah, that was the best way to do it until we get better freight elevators. Okay, you make 60 per minute, you make 360 per minute. You'd be making me science pack there and science pack here. 9 and 18, 60. That should be enough with. I'll do the same setup here. Oh, I want, I'll actually extend this. There we go. Then I need to bring export. That will bring science packs 1 into here. This one will have science packs 2 going into here.
Oops. Didn't mean to do that. All right. Keep opening the menu instead of just exiting out of what I'm doing.
Yeah, it gets... once you play a game for too long, you gotta remember.
Right.
Okay. That will be my science packs 1 onto that belt. I don't know why you brought it so far out. There we go.
And I am making glass.
That
All right.
is very nice to hear. Let's see. How about piping in? That needs
to be closer.
rods and plates, and that's going to need plates. So
All right.
is that right? No, should have went 1 more. Actually, I don't know why I brought those an extra out. Clear. Here we go. Yeah, right. All the way up. Multiple times. Okay, so to do that.
All right. Let's see. I am producing 30 per minute per machine for the gravel.
There we go. And then I ended up putting it backwards. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, that was meant to
That's
go
not it.
to there. And that's how you do that. Okay. Here we go. Perfect.
I think the machines are a little too efficient.
Why you say this?
Because the way I've got this set up, it's not putting the gravel in all the machines.
Oh, you have too many smelters?
Yeah. Like, I got gravel going about halfway down the row I made, but it's just being picked up by all the machines before it. So I've got four smelters that are not doing anything right now.
I see, and these are basic smelters. We haven't even got to the better smelters.
Right. I do not know where you want this glass to go to, so I just have it going into a storage box over here.
That's fine for now.
Okay.
Let's see about...
I can do this. Nope, that's too long.
That's not gonna work right there. Might have to do...
Come on. Having trouble getting these loaders to line up.
Mm.
Oh. Didn't make enough.
I should have brought that over. One. Actually, no, let's put it over one more. That's really not gonna work like that. I can back these up. I want you to produce me 30 rods. I can bring those in. Actually, if I push this one back, then I can do tier 2 loaders.
Wait, what do you mean tier 2 loaders?
Second lane loaders.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just meant.
I thought you were saying that like a faster or better loader.
No,
It's just
no.
the
Yeah.
extended ones.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, that makes more sense.
I am sorry I confused you.
It's not hard to do.
Fair enough. Yep. That was a mistake.
All right.
Input. Okay, so now that'll bring me those, which we can then do Mach 2. Now go in here, over. And here over.
All right. Well, while this is producing glass, I'm gonna come over and see what you're doing.
Lots of things. There we go. Now we're producing. And then I just have to put this into here. And there we go. Science 1 and 2 is now fully automated.
Awesome.
Again, I should say, but more
Oh, I
efficiently.
like how you did that.
Which part?
The conveyor belts.
Oh, yeah. I learned freight elevators, tier 1, do not like 2 items at all.
Good to know.
They do not like it, but if you had like a tier 2s or tier 3, then it kind of does good with 2 items. But if you put 3 items, then it breaks down. So you had to have a tier 3 to handle 2 items, is what I have noticed.
Okay.
As long as there's not a backlog. But if there's a backlog, everything gets messed up and it breaks down.
Why are you on the conveyor belt?
Are you talking about beeps?
Yep.
I don't know how he got up there, nor what that belt is for. I think that was an old belt that just needs to be yoinked.
Yep.
I have not inserted production yet. There we go. Build a few tier 2s.
Oh.
How many tier 2s do I have left then? 16. They only produce 3 per minute. These handle 160. Yeah, we're good. And separate that and that. And these also do 3 per minute.
Okay. That belt is cleaned up.
Nice. Hopefully we can clean up all these belts here and there.
Yeah.
Just so it's not just a complete spaghetti factory. I mean, it's going to always
what's
be...
going on with these belts right here?
These belts are old
They go
production.
nowhere and head nowhere.
They used to go to here, but now they do not need to go here. They're old research belts.
Whoa, how did you do all of it at one time?
Shift, F.
Okay. That makes sense.
Did you... Did you not know this?
I plead the fifth.
Fair enough.
I do not read, so I did not know this.
I do it by accident, because I'm usually, like, pressing that, shift for something.
That belt go on. Okay, that's that belt. Does this belt need to stay?
Let me get rid of plant, because nature. Which one is that one? That one needs to stay.
Okay, this one needs to stay.
I am about to work on that belt right now.
Wait a minute.
Don't know if I can fit all that in here. No, I would not be able to fit that in there, so I'm probably gonna have to make my second tier. And if I do that, then it'd be better if I...
Oh, there.
Probably do the freight elevator here.
Interesting.
into that.
Are we currently researching in... Oh, what is this? How much do we have? 6,000 Firmalite. Lab overview. Improve lab equipment. That's going to take pretty much all of our money, so never mind.
We're not that rich yet.
No.
Okay, so I'm using
What do we need?
this belt for here. So I can make a little nook here for my production chain.
We need 5 million Firmalite to pay off our debt.
Well, we better increase that robot production. Well, we made 12,000 in a day, so that's nice. I have to see how I want to do this one. How do I make tier 3 packs?
Do we not have ships right now?
We do, but they should all be used right now. Are you saying ones that are not coming to the planet side?
Yeah, I was just over here looking at the machines over here, and it says that we have no current ships assigned to them.
It is because we are full on robots, actually. We need to start opening up the map.
Oh,
and start
okay.
doing some trading, because we are full on the station for transport bots and vacuum bots. So I am gonna look upgrading the antenna, I believe is what we want. Trade license, or do we want... I'm gonna get this one because we don't have that one. Sector limit. Galaxy sectors, trade license. Okay, so this gets us trade license, so that's not actually the one we want. We want to do this one first. And then we'll be out of power. So I'll upgrade the solar panel as well.
Okay.
So I believe that's gonna get us the sectors, because if you're looking at the map and you click on any of the sectors, we're hit our limit. Is this one actually being used? Yeah, this one's being used right now. And we can acquire a license there. What else can we make a good amount of? We can sell 288 robots there. On Yareen.
Okay.
We might want to start looking into making heavy-duty robots then.
Okay.
Do we have that research? We do not have
That is a very good question.
We definitely do not have this research. It is now gonna be put on queue now.
Awesome.
I'm gonna go back onto that one. Okay. We have heavy duty going, so hopefully that can be produced. I don't know what it takes.
Let's see. Heavy duty transport bot assembly is 75 science pack 1, 75 science pack 2.
Yep.
And it takes 15 seconds to process each of them.
We should have that done very soon. Oh, we actually need a transformer. We are maxed out the grid on transformer as well.
Uh-oh.
I need to get my transformer up here. I put in this crate. Let's see. Put that on the hotbar. God, why do we make it so far away?
I have no clue. Actually, I should be able to do that. There we go. I'll make one more since I'm over here. And there we go. Heavy duty robots. Awesome.
Perfect. Okay, now we can have max of 20 kilowatts. Megawatts. Megawatts. Yep, can't get up there.
No, I don't want to do that. Alright. What is all this?
Okay, you will make me tier 3. Then I'll have it come over and belt down probably over there.
Uh-oh. Inventory full.
Inventory full.
I just want to see. Set that there for a moment. Let's see. What were we trying to make? The heavy duty bots.
Yes.
steel beams, advanced machinery parts, electronic components, and thermalite sheets.
Dang it.
The heck?
Okay, clear. Actually, I should have brought this one over one. Since my... Actually, no, I can do this instead.
Didn't mean to do that.
What'd you do?
I just removed some of the floor.
Well, you shouldn't do that. Oh. Well, yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to avoid here.
Let's see. Wow. Nope. Give me those back.
I did the same thing again. Why are you doing... No, stop that. Nope, go down. There we go. There we go. Now I want you to belt in there.
I almost got landed on by the ship.
Don't get squished. I mean, we're already in debt. We can't afford replacements. I
Oh,
mean,
thanks. I feel so special.
it's true. You know, you're one of a kind, so that's why you're expensive.
Are you saying I'm a little too expensive?
I mean, you're high maintenance, so...
Wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Give me that back.
Okay, now I gotta find where my bars are coming from. Right there.
Shipping pad.
Okay, let's see about this. I don't know how I'm gonna build you up. Can't get you up. Nope.
All right. Okay, doing it that way. All right. Need to move that over.
Okay, gotta make more slopes. I don't have slopes on my hot fire. There we go.
Damn it.
Now I'll import all of these. Probably messed up just like that. There we go. Now then, if I say deconstruct right here.
Oops.
Nope, does not work that way. So I would have to do that and then that. That would not work because of that. I would need to do... Okay. Okay, I'll be stop that. There we go.
All right.
Perfect. Now, input. I'll convert that production. We should have a lot of concrete stocked up, so I'm probably gonna
We
upgrade
have
this.
quite a bit.
I will upgrade this so it will be on a deficit until we start running low on it.
Well, let's put it this way: we have everything that's on the belt, plus whatever you have all over there, and in this container over here, I have just a little over 4,800 stockpiled.
Okay, let's see how fast I can go through that then.
All right.
And then I'll put an output there, and then I'll throw all my stuff in there. Okay. So science now is pretty much dealt with now.
Okay.
So let's see about all these robots, if we can scale this up a little more. That's gonna be fun.
I need more foundation stuff.
I still like the concrete. The concrete looks great as foundation. As a pathway. I just wish it didn't have so many squares to it. Kind of wish like you can like make it clean.
Yeah, I know, but unfortunately, you can't.
I mean, there is a painting tool.
Oh, there is.
Yeah, there's.
Hmm.
Decor. Yep, we do have a thing. I need to see how much technium we have. As far as I remember, we were running low on that. Oh no, we're good on technium. It was the Xenorite. Okay, yeah, we're still doing good on everything. I'm not too worried. Run over here then. that. Am I only running on half production right now? Looks like I am. I should have that satellite right there. Yep. Galaxy map. Let's see about opening up this sector.
I put those on backwards.
How dare you? Okay, we are now transporting to a new planet.
Let's see. I saw them. I think they're over here.
Okay.
That's not it.
I should be far back. That one is empty, so that one's empty. That one's empty.
Where are these coming from?
That's empty. That's empty. These are all empty except for that one. So rerunning
That's
on
where
a...
those are coming from.
It's like 52.
Nope, I don't want that. I need just a regular loader.
Okay. I think we're running on a slight deficit, but not enough to be concerning. I have so much space here. Let's add another drone here.
I didn't want to do that.
Try to fill up that build.
I didn't come over far enough.
Break that. Here we go.
Oops.
Do, do, do. Machine parts, electrical components, and glass. I'll think on that. So we would need to do a trade license next. Actually, that would be the better option. Unlock that sector, that sector. So that gives me 384. That has a demand for vacuum bots, transport bots, and snack bots. We're not producing those currently.
Okay. I have 2 of the ingredients needed coming. So now I need steel beams and Firmalite sheets. Okay. Remember, steel beams were over here.
Oh, you need circuit boards for those. Okay. Bots. That's tier 4. It's 3 components plus glass. Okay. Let's build that right here. Possibly. No, I like it right here. This is where the water goes. Well, that's actually got a lot of stuff in there. gonna be in my way.
I do.
That is
Huh?
gonna be in my way. I'm just looking at the power pole that's completely in my way. Do we have that? No, I don't think we have any. There it is. That's wall mounting, but is there ceiling mounting? Ceiling. Oh well, I'll put that on the queue. Plates.
Now I just need Firmalite sheets. Those were what we were making down below, right?
Yep.
Yes. Awesome.
I think currently we were just storing them, as far as I remember.
Yeah, we are just storing them. We are not using them currently.
Oh, now we be using
Until
them.
now.
Enough space in inventory. Great. Lovely. I'll build a little storage for now then. Sir, yeah. Let's put this down.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I tore down your flight thing. I'm putting them upstairs currently.
Um. Okay. That's fine because at least the. Why did you do that?
That ruined your entire day.
No.
Just part of it.
No, that didn't ruin anything. The why did you do that thing was because I put a conveyor belt right next to a different one, and it kind of,
Oh, it didn't connect where you wanted it to connect.
yeah.
Fair enough. Why did I put that there?
I need another storage.
No, I don't need a big storage. Probably a small storage would have been enough. Crap, this one does that. So I would have to have this off-sided.
Actually, you know what? I don't need that.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out how to get up there. I gotta go all the way around.
I haven't made a staircase yet. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I just fell back down the staircase again. Dang it.
Well, I'm sorry there's not railings to go on this side of a staircase. I don't know why not, but there's not.
I'm just trying to figure out where to send the conveyor for the heavy bots up
I
here.
was pretty much gonna go with a freight elevator straight up to what, because the transport bots are done. It was going to be pretty much exactly how the transport bots are. Whereas to set freight elevator straight up into storage, so there's a backup storage.
Ah. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Alright, I know how I can do it.
Yeah, I'll have to go up there and mess with that.
Oh, wait a minute.
Waiting.
It's not gonna work. You said we can only do one item for the freight elevators, right?
Yes. Pretty much.
Alright.
You can, it just doesn't go smoothly, is the issue.
Yeah. Good to know. Still no stairs.
There is stairs.
I'm not even looking for stairs.
Well, it's literally stairs right here. It's not stairs over there, but there's stairs over here.
Okay.
Okay. Now you gotta slowly clean all this stuff out. Get this set up to factory, vacuum bot. This set E. Okay, you're full, you're full, you're all full. Got us. Take time.
All right.
There we go. Let's see how much money we got. 6K. I'll buy another starship.
Okay.
And I'll send him to go make us money. I ran out of trade license. He shall sit there and think about his life.
Well, I am producing the heavy bots, so I just need to know where to send them. For now, I'm going to send them into a storage box I have down here.
Okay. I will get something set up for them. I'm sure that's all covered. There we go.
Currently producing 6 per minute.
Okay. I will put that...
Or not.
Are we or are we not?
We are not. Give me a second.
I have been lied to.
Well, I mean, we are still producing some. I just need to fix it. Okay, are we producing now? Why are you not? Oh, that's why.
Have you figured out why?
Yep. All right, so 6 per minute for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 machines. So we are producing 36 per minute of the heavy bots.
Okay.
Your placement has... Oh, okay.
Can you... They're belting in right now, or are they not? I actually don't know.
Yes, they are belting in.
Okay.
Very slowly, but they are belting in. I hope I didn't break it.
No. Should.
I mean, it's, they're all heavy bots, so it's not like I'm putting two different types of items on there.
Yeah, let me go there and see. Wait a minute. I think I know what the issue was.
Did I break it?
No, I just didn't put in a outport.
Ah. Now it's moving down here. Okay.
Okay. Now we got two different product lines going on. R&D. Why is that actually not showing?
Oh, there goes the first shipment of the heavy bots.
Oh, I have to go to the station first before it becomes... nope. I do not know why it's not appearing. Can you come up to the terminal?
Oh, right behind you.
Can you go to the R&D? Do you see the heavy bots on the development?
R&D.
Yep.
I see logistic robots, so a transport bot, vacuum bot, light bot, snack bot. And that's it. I don't see the heavy bots.
I do not see the snack bot, nor the heavy bot.
You don't see snack bot
Nope.
in appliance robots?
An appliance? Nope. I see vacuum and light. I do not see snack bot or heavy bot.
Why am I getting snack bot then?
Why we neither getting heavy bots?
That's a good point. Yeah.
Because that would be nice to upgrade, but it is not. Maybe it'll fix itself at some point.
I hope so.
Because I see it on the finances. I see it on the... Hello, Diana. I see the heavy bot on the sales platform. I don't know why I don't see it on anything else. I'll enable those at 50% as well. I don't know why that's not appearing. That's at 89% as well.
Do we need to upgrade the R&D?
No, it should have just appeared naturally. It might have been just like a reload kind of thing that needs to be done.
Ah.
But I'm not too concerned about it currently. How much finances, transport bot. We are currently making about nearly 1,700 per hour on the transport bots, and we're using 580 per hour. And apparently we should be making about 2,000 heavy bots per hour and using 300. Yep, now, you know, we're supposed to have tag, but tag could not get OBS or Streamlabs to work, so it is just me and Mort today.
Yeah, every time he loads up OBS or Streamlabs, it crashes almost immediately on him.
Yep, so we are just going to duo for today, and hopefully come Thursday, he is able to play. I'm gonna buy another ship. I cannot buy another ship. We are broke.
We are, yeah, okay.
Well, I guess I'll use the ships that we have to just go make us a little bit of money. And I'll increase that for now, too. Vacuum. We could do this one, and if we could get snack bots going too, that'd be great. Not enough firm rate. Well, you're kind of right on that.
Let me see what we need for snack bots. That means I need to build another assembler.
Yeah, Diana, hopefully it's something simple. And he can join us next time.
Wait, what?
Okay, that's all full. That's full.
I need machinery parts.
Currently no ships inbound. Well, I will get something inbound once I can get a little bit more money. Drill speed. That would not be bad. I might increase the science labs too, since we do have the science packs coming in pretty well.
That need here for the moment. Snack bots. Xenoferrite plates, machinery parts, electronic components, and glass.
And we start with the glass production.
Okay. How much glass do I have already put aside? 3,200. Oh, that's already full.
Yeah, that is indeed full.
I need to move this.
Wait a minute, why is this Chaz? We're straining the grid again? Dang, we've already maxed out our steam turbine again. Why are we doing this? Have I not put a belt here? I have. It's just we're not producing enough, it looks like. Everything is set. get that. Maybe that. Science would be cool. I'll get that. Why not? Play around with that. I hate those. And then let's just let that run through. It's quite nice to have a lot of research backed up, so now you can just research these within 10 seconds. I'll get doors for fun. Double doors. Let's get the secondary lights. Okay, let's see about getting the next robots. You're working on the snap bots.
Yep.
Okay, light bots take pretty much the same thing. Just instead of plates, they need beams. So, if I can bleed off your heavy production.
That's fine. I need...
I need to make more assemblers, which need parts. And I'm too lazy to go get some, so I'm just gonna steal it off the belt.
Now it's your turn to steal off the belt.
I didn't want to run all the way around, even though it's not even that far away. Is there not crafting speed? I think there is, it's just not there yet.
What was it I needed? I need machinery parts, xenoferrite plates, electronic components, and glass. Oh yeah, I was trying to work on glass. Okay.
Actually, god dang it. I'm gonna do... Actually, I'll just use these. Yeah, I'll do this, and then bring it... Maybe over it like this. Because whatever you use, I will use that as well.
What do you need?
Pretty much every single thing you do except for plates. So, honestly, just continue the belt straight through.
You said you don't need the xenoferrite plates?
I do not need the plates.
Okay.
I will need the glass, though. Is the only
All right.
part missing.
I'm trying to figure out how to do this.
You're gonna have to take one of these parts up front. Though you can't really do that without
Okay.
So what I would
Nope. I'm gonna split the electronic components right here for an intake. Shoot, I should have moved this back just one more, so I could do a
yeah,
second line loader on.
that's what I was thinking.
All
Like,
right.
you kind of. I mean, you could do second line loader still here, but you would need to do because you
Ooh,
can still
wait a
put
minute. Wait a minute.
a second line
Wait a minute.
loader export here, and then all you have to do is eliminate this electrical
on.
bait. Let me look. Ah, dang, I missed one. What's this? No, I can't do that. I have to go like that. What I have to do? I'll bring that one back. There we go. And then I could do. Because you're going to be my light box. Because I just need to bring in the components, which are here. The steel beams that's here. And then I guess I'm going to export from the back end. You know, like normal.
One, two.
Yep. Then this is going to be the export line. So insert. Port. What? And I'm out of machine parts again. I'll have to go grab a stack. Okay, there we go. That is good to go. I'll get more science. I don't think I need that right now. Is that used for anything? I don't think that's used for anything good. I don't like that. Does that turn off anything? It does. That's a lot of stuff that I don't know if we even want to. I mean, I don't want to do it. tier 3 decor. That's a bit much. I'm gonna get that going, and then go into this. Titanium advanced rods, and that will open up construction drones, planter drones, mining drones, science drones, combat drones. The drill ship, I don't know what that is. Sounds cool. I'll get that queued up, and then that queued up. Grab enough of those. Over here, grab some more plates. God dang it. I fell through a hole.
Oops.
It was my own creation. How dare I? Is the storage of starters? It is. Get a bunch of that crafting.
Shipping pad medium has been unlocked.
Yep, now we can get medium-sized ships if we start upgrading
Oops.
the hangar bay.
Ah, fell off the side.
How dare you? What's this need?
How dare I? You're the one that didn't finish it.
I ran out of stuff. I want to get that, but I'm going to buy a new ship first. Okay, map. 384. We're producing snack bots, correct? I'm gonna assume you
Yes.
said yes. Okay.
Yes. Our grid status is strained.
Yeah, I have not upgraded it again.
Alright, I just have both the snack bots and the light bots going into storage.
Okay.
Oh, fun.
Could you build the freight elevator, or at least
Let's see.
I am building a shipping pads.
Elevator. Not elevator. I need freight elevator. Where would that be under?
It's...
There it is.
Yep.
I found it.
You're
I need
welcome.
15 xenoferret plates and 5 advanced machinery parts.
Yeah, I just need you to place it, and I can get everything sorted up here. Okay, so that's also on that side.
Where'd that go? There it is. Any specific place you want me to place it?
Equal to the other one. So it's matching.
Wait, what do you mean equal to the other one?
Like it's placed the same way as the other one is. The same blocks in each direction from the machines.
Oh yeah, that makes total sense.
Like... So, this freight elevator, well, technically, this bolt is in the way. Let me just, But I meant, like...
Well, I mean, that
Yeah, like, in line
that
of
belt
that.
could be removed anyways.
Yeah, so, like, in line like that. Like, how it's in line there, and also, like, this end is at this end, just so we can have it matching.
I do not know if I did that correctly.
I have faith in you, so I will believe you did it. And I will just have that come in there. Input. Can you do the same now on the other one that I did? And this one was going to be factory. This one was the snack bots.
Other one.
The one past it. The Lightbot production.
Okay. Give me a second. I'm so confused on where you want this at. Because that's snack box production. You want this over at this end?
Yeah. The
Okay.
same way we had it over there, which I think it's 2 off, 1 off. So it's 1 space from the machine, but its edge lined up with this.
Okay. Okay.
Can you push that forward 2 blocks? Because it's in the way of the shipping pad.
Forward 2 blocks.
Yep. That is perfect. Okay, I will put the shipping pad then. Should
Wait
be
a minute.
able to...
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There it is.
Okay, I'll do it like that. this is the Lightbots factory. Lightbot, off you go.
Not enough space in inventory.
Could you come over to the R&D and research the Snackbot product weight, since you can see it?
R&D. Snackbot. Wait. Okay, how high do you want it to go?
As high as we can.
Currently sitting at level 3.
Nice.
Weight reduction, 25%.
Cannot. I have a bunch of Snapbots in my inventory I cannot get rid of.
Same here.
I am throwing them in this thing, and it still was not enough. Okay, we kind of have
more of those.
We might need one more. Okay, I just had 30.
Good?
Yeah, I just threw all I had in there.
Okay.
We have so much product, but we just don't have the demand. But we are making 33,000 a day now.
Damn.
We're starting making it in the big leagues. Barely. I mean, we're not living in a tent outside. We're starting to rent a building. Okay, vacuum bots are really not being used.
Alright. Oops.
I'm gonna do... I don't want to get that yet. I think I want more hangar space first. 6 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that one first. Oh yeah, that costs like absolutely nothing. Then I might upgrade this. Nope, I cannot do that. I ran out of power. I'll do that one. Spaceships. Who is doing things? Who's not doing things? Active market. Okay, so you're buying stuff. Actually could sell things. Boiler. Let's get 2 more of that and 1 of those. Handful of those in. No, I only needed 1 of those. Boiler. Pump. That. Okay.
What do I need to make more of those? I need machinery parts.
Okay. That is wrong. Yep. Just get the space one there. Okay. Now I need to get there we go. Missing fuel, you are correct. Okay, our grid is back in the green.
For now.
For now. It probably won't take too much longer for it to crash and burn, but, you know, we have a moment. Data cable. I've never used data cables before. That'd be interesting to see how that works. Honestly, that would be pretty nice. It's kind of meh. What does that need? Sheets and hover engines. I'll get that later, I think. That one would be good when we get farther on. I'm gonna get that next, probably. Energy cells would be good. Ooh, freight over too. Geothermal power.
I think that would be down in the lava area.
Yeah. That's something they added. Which allows you to use geothermal in the lava caves to produce steam at very high. Oh, so it makes steam and then you use steam. That'd be interesting.
I think we're kind of at a bottleneck over here.
Where's over here?
I'm at the pads.
What seems to be the issue?
Oh, we're just not sending enough up to the station at a time.
Because we only have one spaceship doing it all.
Jeez, okay.
So
That makes sense.
yeah, we just don't have another ship for a second. Can I can turn off. I can turn off that one. And then once he's back, I can have him do planetary jobs.
Whatever's gonna
Once,
keep bringing in money.
yeah, right now, once this trade ship comes, I'll have him do planetary shipping, and then once the hull upgrade's done, then we're doing hangar bays, and then we can buy more ships. So we're just waiting on the hangar or the hull to be repaired.
Okay.
And then we'll be able to get more ships. Because one
Yeah,
ship
because
is handling 5 of these.
I almost
So,
got squished.
I
Yeah, I went ahead and added a second storage box to the heavy bots and the snack bots, and I was like, wait a minute, they're already full, and
yeah,
it's not shipping out. That's why I was saying that.
they do not stack
Oh,
nicely.
they only stack 10.
Yeah,
Oh, that's annoying.
they do not stack nicely at all. So,
All right, well, I mean, as long as we're making money.
we are definitely making money now. I mean, 37 per day.
Nice.
Let me
All right.
upgrade. What's our issue now? It's not those. I'm gonna upgrade that, and then I'm gonna upgrade. Probably gonna upgrade the efficiency. Honestly, money might have been better, but could you do the same thing with the snack bot? See if it has an upgrade to product weight.
Yes. Improve product weight, snack bot. All right. We are currently at 37.5% weight reduction.
Hopefully, I can send more up at a time. Can I actually adjust this one? I cannot yet. Oh yeah, because we can't even upgrade that anyway. This one can go up to 64 items, but it's not gonna only take 64 items.
We can, well, this can now hold up to 71. Should I put it at the 71?
It's like a bare minimum. Like, it will bare minimum take 50, but if it can take 71, it should take 71.
Well, we have a T2 small cargo ship that can carry 71 items, so you want me to do that?
We do not have... If you set it to that, that means only that one can take that one.
Oh, then I'll just leave it at 50 for the moment.
Actually, no. If the number is higher than the capacity of a cargo ship, it will use the ship's max. Okay, so actually it won it. They must have changed that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you can max it if you want.
Okay.
Is this ship now available? No, he's not. Not for another 10 seconds. I wish they would tell you the ship names. That would have been nice. Okay, now. Sign task. Planetary shipping. Thank you. Dang, I wish I can upgrade the weight on these heavy bots, but I don't know why it's not appearing. I guess they don't have, like, the most stable multiplayer currently.
Well, let's see. What if we upgraded the R&D lab?
No, that only increases the XP rate per focus item, but we don't have the focus unlocked yet.
No, I'm not talking about the improved lab equipment. I'm talking about going into station upgrades and upgrading.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, we could.
I'm gonna queue it.
Okay. Yeah, that is what I was just talking about. The focus, because it just improves XP rate of said item.
Yeah, I see that. No, that doesn't make sense right now. Well, once that station upgrade for
concrete.
the lab extension goes through, maybe it will start showing the heavy bots.
Yeah, or worst case scenario, we have to just do a relog, refresh.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're
Okay.
still at 2,600 concrete, but we are slowly eating that up.
What are we using all the concrete for?
Science.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's just
Do
all being used for science right now.
okay. Do I need to make more?
No, I overloaded it just because I wanted to make sure we fill the science. Is that? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, because we had a lot of backed up science that we were just not producing enough of.
We're not using enough glass. I'm producing too much glass. Okay.
Yeah, we can improve the robots, but till we get the hangar bay, which is now being researched. Do we have storage space on these yet? Nope. We're still waiting on storage space.
Okay. Hangar bay extension 1, 2, and 3.
Yep, all
Solar
those are queued.
and lab extension 1. Okay.
I don't even have anything here. I should have. I'm gonna acquire that license. Once that's done.
Where are you seeing the licenses at?
Do you mean how many we have, or trying to buy them?
I'm trying to buy them. I'm just curious.
When you go to the galactic map, so the worlds with the green names are ones we have license at. But if you go to over a planet, like if you go to the blue one, like if you go to Urim, there'll be like a trade license at the very bottom when you click on the planet. And then you can buy the license to work in that system or that planet.
Okay.
Because you gotta buy the sector license first to be able to get into the sector, but then a planet license to trade on that one planet.
Okay.
Actually took over the market over there, which is nice. And this market. Oh, there it is.
Hmm.
We don't have any of those products yet. Transfer drone, aqua hauling bot. Don't have those yet. I like how we nearly took over that sector too.
Which sector are you looking at?
Right north of us, where it's the green lines. It means we're having a pretty much a trade takeover.
Interesting. Okay.
Once we take over a planet, we get a bonus of like five. When you click a planet and hover over its value of the robot you're selling and its money, you will see like it gives 5% if you have dominance in the market for the planet, and then if you own enough planets, you get the sector bonus. So we're about to take the planet and the sector.
Okay.
So we're about to have like 15% extra money from this planet.
Interesting.
So I should do that too, so I can get this bonus. Hopefully we get that soon, so we can start progressing on that front. Because we are making all of these robots currently.
You said we needed them, so I just started making when I
Yeah.
could.
I guess we could start working on the oil now. Because we have oil unlocked. Do we have any oil nodes? We do, south of us. Ah, man, just sneezed. So just south of the concrete production is a oil reservoir. You wanna see about building towards that? I have to go get more foundations.
Okay. Oil.
We are out of plates.
How are we out of plates?
We have ended up using all of our plates.
Oops. Oh hey, inventory size.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, that did increase it. Okay.
yeah, we needed that. Okay, well I will then work on this instead. How many crushers is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
How do we start mining the oil?
There is a thing called the
Pump jack.
pump jack. Yep. Okay. Oh wow, that was lag. Okay, now we're actually not producing that much Xeno, right? Why are we not? Uh, 23 more drones. Oh, I see what's going on there. I'll think on that. This is doing 320. We should have another Xeno. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Do I have enough freight elevators? I do.
Oh, BB has a
Oh,
mission for us.
it is kind of far down there.
Are you feeling a little spooked when it's dark? No worries, BB. We can create some light poles to brighten up our nights.
I mean,
Okay.
fair enough.
Need to build 5 light pole. All right. Power pole. Just to finish this. Oops.
Oh yes, you've illuminated my perspective. Things are looking exceptionally bright around here.
Ha ha. Illuminated.
Okay.
Let's do 65. Xeno. I guess I'll get it. Nope, I have to go upstairs for that.
Okay. Where are you at? Oh, there you are.
down we go. Actually, no, I'll do it later then.
What are you doing?
I needed to bring a power pole over to the elevator, but I did not. And I'm already going down the elevator.
Trying to figure out how to start mining this oil.
Should just be place a pump jack pretty much in the air. 'Cause usually they're never flat. Oh, there it is. I was like, where is that?
Oh, no. Fell in a hole. I fell in the hole that the bots were mining out of.
Mhm.
Almost couldn't get out.
The Olumite is in our hands. Now we can venture into chemical processing. This is where the fun really starts. We should begin processing it. A jetpack? That idea might just take off, but it's a bit up in the air if we run out of fuel.
Oh, good thing there's no fall damage.
Energy
Right.
cells are required for more advanced technologies? Better robots? We should make them a priority target.
Okay.
Let's go one more. No.
When the screen says no grid connection, that just means I need to connect it to power, right?
Yes.
All right.
I should have done like the mining drones and seen how they work.
I need to make more foundation or more building blocks.
Okay, you were actually good. Ba-dum. Okay. Yeah, that's what I figured. There we go. Now, up we go. I just gotta bring over the power line, and that should solve our ore issue. Hopefully. If not, I'll come up with plan B.
Okay. I need
parts.
trying to figure out how to connect this to the grid because of how far away it is.
We're out of parts. Either foundation or power line, and then transformer.
All right. I need technum rods for the transformer.
Actually, I don't want those. I want a few of those. Okay, that should produce us more Xeno, right? Hopefully. You're gonna make me go down there, aren't you? Yeah, you're working. Are you working too much? I'll cut these off and then do another import. Try to get it as fast as I can.
Where is the wire for the power lines?
It
Like, how do I do that?
It's in the handhelds.
Handhelds.
Fork tab.
Immediately, yeah, I see it. Immediately, my attention went straight towards explosive set detonator, explosives charge.
I mean, you could make explosives.
Seriously tempted to.
I mean, it is quite nice when... Oh, there it is. I was like, where is all this stuff? That will fill up the belt quite nicely. Can I actually make freight elevator too? Nope. It is being researched now. Okay, we are doing okay on those. It actually might have been our main line was just running out of Xenorite. prioritize that belt line first. And I'll balance it here. No, I really would prefer that one going forward. Focus on one line. And you go. Okay. Wow, a lot of stone. Okay, let's see what else we can tap into. There's one way over there, and one way over there. I forgot that we did have the stuff for more ships to be ready. I'm gonna...
Did we?
Yep. We have 6 hangar spaces, and I will use those now. Let's see. I'll set you to planetary and you to planetary. Planet. Plant. Planet. ST2. 2. I'll just keep it simple. Planet ST2. Earth. No, I'll do air. Planet ST2 water. And
Hangar Bay A Extension 3 is complete. Are we making polymer boards?
we are currently not, but that is what you make with the oil.
Okay.
I'll buy 2 of those, and then add ship, cargo ship, boop. And there you go. Now, go off and make us more money. Oh, we didn't own that sector, because that one has more markets than this one does. Assign ships, assign ships, assign ships, assign ships. Dagger fold demanded. Okay, so you should all be good. I need to get a new communication trade license.
What am I supposed to store the oil in?
You don't store it. You could do a tank, but tanks are really finicky, so I don't even use them. I just go directly from pump to machine.
Which machine? That's the question.
It is the distillation column.
There it is. Okay.
Because that can make... You're going to need multiples of those, because it makes it into, like, 4 different products for each its own different kind, like light oil, heavy oil, and then byproduct.
Okay.
Wow, you're completely empty. Are we just tapped out that production chain? I'm gonna make one more. Freight elevator 2. That makes 320. That maxes out the belt. So even if I got this, it wouldn't matter. Plus it needs circuit boards. What do I need for conveyor? Mach 3. Needs science pack 4. Oh god. Well, guess I'm gonna get science packs 4. So I need circuit boards, energy cells, and thermite sheets. Okay. So how close you do circuit boards? Can I not research?
Okay, I did not do that correctly. Of course I didn't.
Okay, so it's just electrical components and polymer boards. Okay, so... And that's from liquid polymer in a casting machine. Okay. You get any oil set up?
Attempting to.
Okay, but she's not getting a lot of parts. And that's just due to the fact we're not sending enough of this. Prioritize that lane. Always. You do the same with that lane. You prioritize that lane, since that is science.
Let's see. I have the ability to do liquid polymer or alumite gas.
Liquid polymer, because we need that for the polymer boards, and then to make circuit boards we need to mix polymer boards with electrical components,
Okay.
and we're gonna need a lot of circuit boards, apparently for Mach 3 conveyors as well. I'm gonna make a small little factory here, I think. What do you need? You make 60 per minute for... That doesn't come out cleanly. So I could do... 1 T1 for a... T2. So I can bring through the electrical... So I'm pretty much... You bring the... Well... Go to the others. No. We'll keep on that. Split off the components. Getting it. I'll split off the components here.
Trying to figure out how to do the polymer board. Is it something we need to research first, or?
It is through the casting machine.
Casting machine?
Yep.
Okay.
That one is definitely not gonna fly. I'm gonna have to... do that one more time. Oh, right there. That's where those are, so I will put that on this side. And then I will put the splitter here.
I don't have any more of those. No, I don't. All right.
That actually needs to go right there. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Actually, it doesn't, because... So I can bring that to... I press... no. So I need to bring that to here. For this machine. Well, I kind of... Yeah, that needed to go up one more.
Okay.
Now I should be able to... Well, shit. You're still unhappy. Fine. I'll scoot you over there so you be happy. You're not gonna be happy with that, aren't you?
Nope.
Oh my god. Because you're gonna fight me on that one. Yes, you are. Can I go through like that? Yes, I can. It's ugly, but it works.
That's wrong.
Okay. Insert, 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 insert. Science pack 4. That's gonna suck. I don't think I want that. Marble blocks. Okay. Don't think we need batteries. Maintenance drone. What is that? Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I don't. Does not need power. Can't be placed anywhere. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna research that next. Probably get that next. Ooh, that one is definitely a want. And that one is also something I really want, but we cannot afford that yet. Why is my stream lagging so badly?
I don't know. Why is your stream lagging?
That is a good question. I am running only at 6,000 frames now. Instead of my 12,000.
Okay.
I am lagging half of the time according to my stream. That's interesting. Why do you do this to me? OBS, don't be of such pain. I mean, we're about hit 3-hour mark anyway, so
Right.
it's like, well, if any time you're gonna lag, I guess this is an okay time too. I'll just let it suffer and let the video be good enough. Okay.
Sure, it's good enough.
I mean, the video won't lag, so it's just a stream.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to bring in plates. I don't know how I'm gonna bring in plates. Actually, I could bring in plates by doing outport there and swapping this one. And just have an ugly belt going. Actually, how much? I don't need that many plates per minute, do I? 30. That's enough with a tier 1 belt. Portable light.
All right. I got polymer boards being made.
Lovely. And I have a automatic tier 2 belts being made now. So we could stop crafting them because I got a headache by crafting them.
All right.
I'm just going to throw that in there. Good enough. Electrical components.
I'm trying to figure out where to put the waste gas.
That is the flame tower or something.
Flame stack?
Flame stack, yep. You just put it in there and it just kind of burns it.
Okay.
You know, natural environment situation. Why is this empty? This one is the transport drones. And you.
What do you want, baby? Energy cells.
We've done it. We've figured out how to make those energy cells. Now we should find some ways to use them.
Okay.
No, okay.
To be able to build larger structures, we need to set up a construction industry made of construction and transport ships. This will allow us to construct enormous buildings beyond our current capabilities.
Interesting. Flare stack. I need xenoferrite plates and steel beams.
I do not know how good those are going to be. No, we're doing good on plates now. Yeah, we're topped up. I just had to start yoinking another node. This is actually filling up, so I'm gonna have to do...
Okay. Trying to remember where the steel, where the xenoferrite plate, where the xenoplates are at.
They're up,
Couldn't
sir.
say the word.
They're on the second
Upstairs.
floor.
Okay.
You know, you took the long way, but you know.
Yeah, I know I did.
I mean, just as long as you understand. Hello, Piper. You joined once my stream was lagging crazily. I kind of just gave up since we were just about to call it in a bit.
Yep.
We
I want to finish this first.
Yeah. Wow, those are so slow. That's not being exported.
Gonna need more foundation.
Outport. Okay, Piper, well, welcome in. Enjoy your lurking. And the lag of the stream that may be. Let's go over here and drop off this ore that I have. How much is the yield of these? Doing 46. Oh, it's just doing that because of we're full on rods. That's the only reason. Okay, we're maxed out those, and we're just not producing enough tier 3 research. Just because it's takes, oh, because it's half the time it takes for the other ones. Oh, you produce 1.5 per minute instead of 3 per minute, like the others. That's lovely. Can I swap that? No. Okay.
All right.
Nice, that's maxed out. Let's accrue. Let's do product money this time. You need to get one of those. Now, question is, why are we out of heavy bots?
That is a very good question.
We have ran out of thermite sheets. Our sheets are no longer sheeting. Why is there a random hump there? How many lava generators did we make?
2.
Oh.
Give me a second.
Well, this uses 6 per. You're going down the elevator.
Yep, I'm heading down. I've got 2 more of the lava smelters in my inventory. So I'm gonna go place them down real quick.
Okay. I can sign a research. Well, I can sign the heavy, but I can't see the heavy. because that makes sense. I'm gonna upgrade that just so.
Correction, we have. Oh. Tag never finished. Down here. Okay, hold on. Come down here and take a look.
I'm coming down now. Do do do
I am.
do do do. Why the frick is the elevator so slow? They need research for elevator speed.
Yeah, they do.
Because I could have destroyed this elevator and jumped down faster than this thing could have taken me. I might do that.
You might do that.
I might do that. Like, I might make a second elevator just to go all the way down and then just destroy it. Yeah, I could have probably made a ladder to go up and down faster than this elevator. Was it just like this?
It was just like this when I came down.
I see. How much does this make per minute anyway? 10 per minute, and we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's barely enough. It's not going to be enough though.
I still have 2 more.
Yeah, we're gonna need all 2 more, because we're now on Science Pack 4, so we need the sheets to be used as well. And if I see what that is gonna be, that is also 6 per minute. So that's gonna be, I'm probably gonna make another 5 of these, so 30 per minute. So that's alone 3 smelters.
Okay. Well, do we want that to be the focus of next time?
Yeah, but definitely gonna probably do this real quick.
Yeah, don't want to just leave it.
Okay, I was slightly confused on what was going on there. Okay, so this is that.